In front of me is ZTE Blade v2020, and let me show you how to activate autocorrection in this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and here click on Language and Input. Here select Virtual Keyboard and go to Gboard. Now smoothly tap on on text correction, and if you scroll a bit lower, you will notice autocorrection. Smoothly click on it to activate the feature, and as only this switcher is active, when it is fulfilled with color, you will be able to use autocorrection in your phone. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.